Hi everyone, for today's review we'll be looking at the KO Beast Wars masterpiece Blackarachnia, and by the looks of it I don't know if this was produced on the lowdown in Takara Tomy factory or if it was produced outside, since the box looks identical to the original box. So let's see what the figure comes with. So let's look at the accessories. As you can see, she comes with a spider web, her missile, I guess, for the weapon, one that has webbing, a stand attachment, another one, two additional face plates, so instructional booklet, and I guess a collector's card. So it only comes with one piece of a stand, so I guess you can connect it to the other stands that you have with your collection. So she has like this visor that she used like towards the end of season 1, I think. Then the last piece is the stand that attaches to the base. So after you finish connecting the webbing, this is the first attachment. Then this is gonna go on top of the base attachment. Then this attachment, I think you can connect it to her weapon here. This one goes on the bottom, right here. It has two attachments right there. I think it's easier to connect it first. And it's not the easiest thing to do because you gotta line them up. Unless I'm doing it the opposite way. Let me see. Fortunately, I wasn't able to get the attachment to line up correctly, but this is the best I could do. So it does look pretty good if you want to display it like this. So let's go on and see the transformation. And what I do recommend when you first start transforming it is to remove her weapon on the back. And I think you can push this up and then start straightening out her legs. Then push this in. push this down. Take out her, I guess, claws, hands. Just straighten out her spider legs so they don't get in the way. I think you turn the spider head around. Okay, then we gotta get that robot mode head out. It's kind of tricky. Just gotta be careful. Takes its time. There we go. Okay. Gotta push the head down, I think, a little. Okay. Then fix her back. Okay, there we go. So I think that's, oh, then fix her feet, I guess. Overall, right now, the joints are really tight, so they're not loose, so that's great, especially for a figure her size. Fortunately, I don't see any ratchets due to her size either. So hopefully over time the joints don't wear out, since they are friction joints. So there it is. So that's how she looks in robot mode. I mean, it's a great figure, looks better than her spider mode. And I think that's why they sacrificed her alt mode, is so she wouldn't have kibble probably on the back. She'd probably have a backpack like RC. Which overall I don't mind. I'm probably gonna keep it in robot mode. I'll probably barely transform it, but it's great to know that we have the option of always transforming it. I think they did a great job on the paint and everything. I mean, the claws have multiple points of articulation, as you can see right here. So, I mean, if this is what we wanted probably back in the 90s if you were a Beast Wars fan, so, I mean, better late than never, I guess. So now let's look at the alternate faces. So here's the screaming one. Guess this is the one where she gets possessed by tarantulas, I think. Trying to zoom in. And here's the other one. Which sort of looks like her default face that she has on right now. I don't know, you decide. So let me transform the weapon. So it should be fairly simple. Push this down, then this forward, and this to the side. I think you push them down. Or, yeah, it's really hard. I think the weapon, then here's her missile. I have to remove it from the base. Does it go in there? How does it go in there? Let's see. Okay. There it is. There we go. There she is. She looks great holding that weapon. And let me see. Let me compare with Cheetor so we can see the size difference. So here she is next to Cheetor. She is the smaller one. She's probably about the average size of Deluxe, but with better engineering. If I would say if you see this figure right now, I'll say pick it up. I picked up mine from Shosey's store. I bought from them in the past. They're not sponsoring this video. I do it just to help out other collectors that are either getting in a third party. Definitely recommend picking it up now before either the prices go up with everything going on with China too. I bought mine for around $65 and that's including shipping. So yeah, definitely I recommend picking it up now. It has great engineering and the joints are great. The paint is great as you saw. So it may be an official product. So pick it up now. I highly recommend it. Once again, thank you for watching the video. And let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments. Thank you.